Okay, good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel Nadim's Wellness, and I'm very excited to invite Mr. Mir Ranjan Negi for the show today. Welcome you to this program, sir.
Thank you, Nadim bhai. Thank you so much. It's a great
Thank you.
honor and privilege for me to be talking like this, probably for the first time,
Thank you.
and all because of this lockdown and because of this COVID-19.
Yeah,
But there are so many new things which are happening around. So,
yeah. So
yes,
for other participants, I just wanted to introduce him. He is a very good human being, and always he is ready to help people. I just wanted to introduce him to all my audience. He is the man behind Check the India movie.
कहते हैं कुछ लोग इस दुनिया में सदियों में एक बार होते हैं, क्योंकि वे आम इंसानों से काफी हटकर होते हैं और एक मिसाल, एक प्रेरणा बन जाते हैं। हमारे पुश्तैनी खेल हॉकी के एक ऐसे ही मार्गदर्शन है मीर रंजन नेगी। 5 साल भारतीय हॉकी टीम के चमकते सितारे रहे नेगी को एशियाई खेल के अपने आखिरी मैच में 7-1 से पाकिस्तान से पराजय मिली। लोगों ने कहा नेगी ने एक गोल के 1 लाख रुपए लिए और वो जानबूझकर मैच हार गए। जिल्लतों और तिरस्कारों से जूझते नेगी ने 16 साल बाद भारतीय हॉकी में पुनः प्रदर्शन किया और बैंकॉक के एशियाई खेलों में 32 साल के बाद हिंदुस्तान को गोल्ड मेडल जिताया। 2 साल भारतीय महिला हॉकी टीम के साथ काम करते हुए हर टूर्नामेंट में गोल्ड मेडल दिलाया। बुलंद हौसलों के साथ आगे बढ़कर पुनः अपने आप को स्थापित करने का साहस मीर रंजन नेगी ने दिखाया है। शायद यही वजह है कि उनके जीवन पे आधारित फिल्म चक दे इंडिया ने बॉक्स ऑफिस के सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए। और उनकी यही स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट की झलक हमें झलक दिखलाजा में देखने मिली।
शाहरुख खान और मीर रंजन नेगी में कांटे का मुकाबला चल रहा है। शाहरुख ने नेगी साहब को फॉलो किया और कोच बन गए चक दे इंडिया में। तो नेगी साहब ने भी तय कर लिया कि भैया वो SRK की तरह नाच के ही दिखाएंगे।
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था।
Okay, this is a small introduction about Negi sir. So he's inspiring to all the hockey players, and not only hockey players. With the Check the India, lot of management schools, they started learning from what is the challenges, how to overcome these challenges. So we all learnt a lot from Check the India. So I wanted to interact and try to understand. Now everybody is going through a COVID crisis. So a lot of people have a tendency of suicide. A lot of people are thinking whether they have jobs, whether they can do businesses. So let us understand from Mr. Negi how his life has gone ups and downs and how strongly he has faced that. So over to Negi sir. Can you just share about this thing?
thank you, Nadim bhai. You have been associated with me for such a long time. I think the entire nation knows the story now because of Chak De India.
Yes.
Going back, I played 5 years for my country from 1978 to 1982.
Can you tell from your childhood how you started your life so that everybody can know?
Okay, I hail from Indore basically, where I am right now, and in 1972 when I started playing, that was the time when the popularity of hockey and football was almost the same.
Yes.
The money which was given to a hockey player was almost the same which was given to a cricket player. And then in 1975, as all of us know, that India won the gold medal in the World Cup. The first and the last World Cup we won was in 1975, where Mr. Ajit Pal Singh was the captain of the Indian hockey team. Aslam Sher Khan, he had scored the goal in the semi-finals, and in the finals, the son of Dada Dhyanchand, Ashok Kumar, he scored against Pakistan, and that is how we won the gold medal. It was in Malaysia. I remember there was so much of enthusiasm about hockey at that time, and people used to wait to listen to the commentary of Mr. Jasdev Singh. There was no television, nothing like that. And when I started playing, I was playing almost all the games. But when I became a goalkeeper, I could find that in goalkeeping you have the ingredients of almost all the sports. You had the footwork of badminton, you had kicking of football. Nadim Bhai also goalkeeper, so he knows. And then you have to the diving as a swimmer. So all the ingredients were there, hard work, cricket ka hitting was there in cricket, now how you hit, everything was there. And then once I started playing as a goalkeeper, then other things, they became secondary. I just moved on to play as a goalkeeper. And within no time, I was playing very well. Then circumstances, they brought me to Bhopal. Bhopal, there was a company by name Union Carbide. You remember the company? Because
Yes.
25,000 people, they died.
Yeah.
And there I got first time a chance to play with top international players and a big exposure.
Right.
1978 I played first time for the country, and then the World Cup, Asian Games, and all those things till reach the finals of the Asian Games.
Yeah.
The story starts from there. But my story started in 72.
Okay.
And all these years, I was a very good goalkeeper. Like, many a times it is because of me that the Indian team won. The golden moments of Indian hockey. But people forgot everything. They remember that last match of my life, the finals of the 1982 Asian Games, where Pakistan scored 7 goals against India. And for
That
the
was,
first
I
time,
think, Indira Gandhi also watching that match, I think.
she was. Mrs. Indira Gandhi was watching our match. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, he was a pilot in the Indian Airlines, and he had left the airlines job and he was entering into politics.
Right.
And there was so much of enthusiasm, like unbelievable atmosphere.
The whole country.
And frankly speaking, the whole country was watching, and
hockey used to be the
which was built up. Hockey was there. Yeah, hockey was a very
popular game.
And, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi used to say that India won so many medals that time, but they are not all that important as was important this particular match, hockey match. And she used to say, if you win this match, we will parade you around Punjab on trucks, and you will all be millionaires, and will do this and that, and these things, they excited to such an extent that when the real match started, Zafar Iqbal, who was the captain of our team, he scored the first goal, and after that, when Pakistan attacked and they scored 2 goals, the entire team collapsed like a pack of cards. There was so much of pressure. Half time, the score was I think 3-1 or something. And I went to the coach. I told him, sir, I want somebody else to play now. I'm not playing well today. But he did not change me. In fact, Mrs. Indira Gandhi sent her ADC to tell the coach that Negi should be changed, but he did not change. After half time, Pakistan scored 4 more goals and then lost the match. For the first time, people were watching these matches live on the television. Okay?
Yeah.
And there was so much of crowd, and atmosphere was amazing. You were there. I think you can make crowd, and all those people, those who remember that match, because basically unbelievable. I mean,
No, people won't get the tickets those days to watch that match. So
the 100 rupees ticket was sold for 1,000 rupees.
Yeah.
You can imagine, and therefore the atmosphere was so charged up, and we basically it was pressure match, and there were some other reasons also. You know,
Yeah.
some of the players of our team, they were unfit. They had not played till the finals, and suddenly they were put in the finals, and the entire team, they collapsed from there. In any way, I was the first victim of something called yellow journalism.
Yeah.
First victim,
Okay.
and the newspapers next day, they covered this story where they said that Navy has taken money against to let the goals go in against Pakistan, and whatever you see in Chak De India is basically nothing.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
is
I know.
really nothing what I really faced in my life. Wherever I used to go, people used to abuse me, throw stones. My house was a stone. Um, it was very difficult for me to move out. Forget about playing.
Even
You
I
know?
heard, that in the marriage also they had a lot of disturbances.
Yeah. In fact, when things became so difficult, I wanted to commit suicide. And then my parents, they thought that probably they should get me married. And when these things they were being thought over, uh, and those days there was not generators were not used very commonly in the weddings. So somebody put off the lights, somebody took out the main cutout from there, and half of my wedding was conducted in darkness. My friends started the motorcycle
Hmm.
scooters in the light. The whole wedding was conducted.
Like Three
I never
Idiots.
gave, yeah,
Hmm.
3 days. Really, I mean, when I'm back here in Indore, my all my friends, they get together sometimes and they say, Negi, you remember I we had put on those lights in your wedding. I said,
Yeah.
Baba, if had it not been that incident, Shakti would not have been there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everybody in this life undergoes these trials and tribulations. Roller coaster ride always is there.
So
But
actually, the idea
this
of
is
discussion is
hmm,
because now most of the nation, most of the world is in the same situation. Everybody is confused. Uh, you know, somebody wanted to do suicide. Somebody wanted to, they are losing their job. They are losing their this thing. That is the reason I want you to come onto my show, and pump up the spirit of the people. Can you just share me about the Check the India, how it started?